This is Daria Shabad with CorporateProfile.com reporting on the news for Thursday, July 5th, 2012. The ECB has at last attended to the growing pressure in the Eurozone and has lowered its interest rate to a record low of 0.75%. This move was long expected by the markets, and Mario Draghi has started explaining the ECB strategy on this move about an hour ago. The ECB also reduced its deposit rate from 0.25 to 0, which could encourage banks to lend to each other instead of depositing excess funds at the ECB every night. With these moves, the ECB is starting to show support to the ailing economy in the Eurozone. On the back of these news, the euro dropped significantly against the dollar and is currently at around 1.2069. The Barclays LIBOR rigging scandal is deepening, with Mr. Diamond alleging that a top Bank of England official, Paul Tucker, gave one of Barclays' deputies a sort of green light, I guess you could call it light green, on interest rate manipulation. That's a huge allegation against Mr. Tucker, and he is set to explain himself in a separate phone call. During his committee hearing, Mr. Diamond did maintain that the trader's actions were unacceptable and that they should be prosecuted under criminal law, but he also feels that Barclays has been chosen as a scapegoat despite its willingness to cooperate with the regulatory authorities. At the time of the supposed misunderstanding between the Barclays official and the Bank of England official, Mr. Diamond was supposedly getting nervous about the possibility of the British government nationalizing Barclays Bank if they believed that Barclays' costs were consistently higher than those of the competitors. Sounds like a vicious circle to me. And with a dozen other banks being probed by the US, Asian and European regulators, remains the question, who will be next? It is sort of official and confirmed. The so-called God particle has been discovered at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Researchers from the Large Hadron Collider reported to have found a new particle that is consistent with the Higgs boson and which can, in essence, explain how matter attains its mass. This particle is named after Professor Higgs, and this discovery is expected to earn him a Nobel Prize. According to CERN, this is a historic milestone discovery, but only the beginning to further research. More tests are needed to fully confirm the new findings, but if it is confirmed, then, ladies and gentlemen, we will have come a big step closer to understanding our universe. And talking about our universe, Facebook has also made a huge discovery, namely how to monetize its like button feature. Facebook is rumored to be in talks with different networks and cable TV stations about the possibility of making them pay in return for delivering information on what content we like. A deal with Time Warner may have been reached already, and although the exact terms are not public knowledge yet, it seems Facebook will be promoting Time Warner content and leverage income from advertising linked to that content. Not a bad idea, I would say, but definitely not Nobel Prize worthy. Have a great day, everyone. I'm Daria Shabad with CorporateProfile.com reporting directly from Wall Street. Thank you for watching, and please tune in again for more hot financial and world news.